In this video right here, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should not give up on SHIB. I understand the price has been going up and down, but I'm going to give you some encouragement, some motivations why I am holding SHIB and you should consider it as well. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's start with reason number 1. It's the price. The price is still very affordable for the average Joe. But the average person can get into SHIB at a very low price and it doesn't take much to do. Right now on CoinMarketCap, it is definitely at a bargain, especially how it went so high in the last couple of weeks. So number 1 is the price. It's a no-brainer. It's the price. The number 2 is Shiba Swap. I understand Shiba Swap has been going through some processing, but I do believe when you have Shiba on Shiba Swap, it does give you some great benefits. One benefit is you get the chance to bury your SHIB and earn extra bone and earn some wrapper Ethereum. And a new thing that's got started a couple weeks ago is Ryoshi Vision tokens. Now this is just a bonus just by holding SHIB on Shibarium, or holding SHIB on Shiba Swap and give you some of those benefits. And also you get a chance to enjoy the rest of the actual Shiba Swap in terms of actually benefits. You get a chance to dig for bones, you get a chance to swap other tokens. So that is the benefit of having SHIB. The next thing is going to be Coinbase. The long-awaited announcement, is having Shiba on Coinbase. It is on Coinbase.com, Coinbase Pro as well, and you can get this very simple and very easy. And what I like about this is you can connect this to your Coinbase wallet. Very simple, and it's good to cashing out when it's time to cash out. So right here, it's very simple to do. You go to Coinbase.com, and don't forget, if you don't have an account, click on the link below to get your free account, but you can get some SHIB on Coinbase.com. So very simple to do. Just click on $10. Let's say I want $10 worth of SHIB. It just pops up just like that, and the fees is very low. You see those fees in the fee amount? 99 cents. That's all you do. So that is a good reason. Not only is it on Coinbase, it's on eToro, and also it's on Webull. And that's some listings that it had for the last few weeks. So that's another thing. The next thing is the SHIB army is growing each and every single day. I like this tweet that came out that says 665,966 holders. Now that amount actually increased just a little bit since the recording of this video, but look at the rest of the Shiba Swap ecosystem. You got leash, you got bone, you got a lot of action going on, and that's a really good thing. So the SHIB army is growing each and every single time, and I do believe it'll eventually get to that 1 million holder spot. So that's another thing. My last thing I like about this is a couple of things. The Shibarium and Shy. These announcements and these actual developments is, to me, it's going to take SHIB to the whole different level. And so I'm really excited about the Shibarium. If it's going to happen at the end of this year or sometime next year, it's its own Shiba own blockchain. That will change the game in terms of having your SHIB inside Shibarium. Sorry, I'm thinking about something else. But Shy is also going to be another area. And also, I forgot to mention this with these things, it's also Robinhood. Robinhood is another one. That's a bonus. Is something why you should consider holding SHIB, and why not hold SHIB and be excited of why, you know what, don't get so discouraged because of the price. Things are moving slow. Things take time. So if you're holding a low amount, I understand it's a long-term game. So those are the reasons why: the price, Shiba Swap, Coinbase.com, eToro, Webull, the upcoming Robinhood in the future. Also, the SHIB army is growing. It's a growing base. It's a very energetic, it's a very beautiful base. And also the upcoming Shibarium and Shy. I do think these things can really change the game and really help out Shiba as a whole. Anyway, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Shiba, I understand it's going through a process right now. The price is down, but this is an opportunity. I'm just winking my eye. It's an opportunity to continue adding to your portfolio. So I'll see you on the next video. Captain NU in service. I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below. Get your free Coinbase account started if you don't have that already. And I'll see you later.